Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Pooja Gupta and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. It's day 9th of our SQL series and we are consistent with the last 8 days revising SQL together. So let's continue with the today's question related to SQL. And I also as in said in my previous videos that I am always solving the SQL question from the HackerRank because HackerRank has a great collection of the SQL series. And I will tell you that if you revise your SQL with the HackerRank questions, so you will get your SQL as you will get hands-on on SQL was very great. Okay, so above the questions above the average population, it means the questions above this question average population, the all questions above this question will be solved in my previous videos. If you want to check that how I solved these videos and have solved these questions and you wanted to know the queries about this question, so please check my previous videos. And today I continue with this question, that average population. Okay, so let's continue with the question. First of all, I have to change my workbench. Okay. What the query says? Okay. Query the average population. Sorry. So the query is about the uh, average population of all in cities, cities in city, and round around the nearest villages. So it is a very easy sorry query, and we have to use here two functions. First of all, a round function to round the particular number or figure to its nearest integer, because we are here finding the average. So average being decimal, so we have to round it to the nearest integer. Okay, now and to calculate the average population, so I will use the average function. Both are the aggregate functions. Okay, so continue with this. So select, first of all I have to round, then average. What average population? Okay. From where? From city. That's it. Okay, now you will show that how I decide the preference that round will come first and then average. So it was not given go from out to in, but come from in to out. Okay, first of all, what I have to do, I need a population, then I need to average of population, then average population will be round off, not round off population will be average. Okay, this is how it will go. And ready to run the code. And yeah, I've get my sample test case passed, and now ready to submit the code. And here's it. Yeah. So success, compiler message, and the congratulations banner is arrived. Now continue with the next question. Okay. So next will be Japan population. Switching my SQL. Okay. Query the sum of populations for all the Japanese cities in city, the country code for Japan. Okay, so in the simple that we have to find the population of a Japan country, Japan country, because a country with cities having country code Japan, being Japan. So in simply we need to find the population of Japan. Okay, so continue with the question. Select. We need a sum to what? Population from where? From city. What? Where? Country code. Okay, COUNTRY country code will be what? It's a string. Country code will be string, so we need a single code JP, and will be the code for the Japan. And now this is the query and running the code. Population, yeah, it was giving me a correct answer, and congratulations there. Submit code. And yeah, compiler message success, and here is my congratulations banner. Okay, so this is what this question will be. Okay, question was, and question is. Now next question, population density difference. Okay, just to my screen. query the difference between the maximum and minimum population of cities. Okay, maximum and minimum population. So we have to first find the maximum population of a city with the maximum population. Then we have to subtract it with the city with the minimum population. This is for the density difference. Okay. Now, for that I will use the two functions max and min. So max will be give the maximum population of the city. Maximum population, and I will subtract it with the min population, and after that what I will from city. Then that's it. So it will give me a difference between the maximum population and minimum population, and yeah, it is giving me a right. Okay, now submit the code, and on submitting the code, the fetching result and the compiler message is successful in getting the expected output. Okay, now congratulations, banner is also arrived. So I am done with the today's MySQL series, and if you have any query regarding this three queries and three questions, so please comment down. I will definitely go through with your doubts and trying to solve them. If you are in urgency that you want immediate reaction, so please chat GPT the question. Okay, so thank you guys for being here on the ninth day of our consistency. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Bye bye.